Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0685 refers to a malfunction in the PCM, Powertrain Control Module, Power Control Circuit, or its internal circuits. This code is significant as it leads to potential issues with the vehicle's performance and reliability. The PCM is a critical component that manages and regulates engine functions, directly impacting efficiency and emissions. When this DTC is triggered, it indicates that the PCM is not receiving power correctly, or there is an internal malfunction within it. It's important to understand the components involved, as any miscommunication or failure here can lead to vehicle performance issues. Regular diagnostics are essential to identify any inconsistencies early on, ensuring the vehicle operates seamlessly. DTC P0685 indicates a malfunction in the PCM power control circuit, which is vital for the proper functioning of the vehicle's engine management system. The PCM is typically located under the dashboard or within the engine compartment, depending on the model year. Its primary role is to control various engine operations, ensuring that the engine runs efficiently by managing fuel injection, ignition timing, and emission controls. An internal circuit malfunction means that within the PCM, there may be a failure that affects how it communicates power to other critical engine components. This failure could be due to software issues, physical damage, or corrupt connections. Diagnosing this error involves checking for any data or error snapshots to ascertain if it is a persistent issue or an intermittent failure. Several potential causes can trigger DTC P0685, beginning with loose terminals at the IGP ignition power line connectors. If these terminals are not securely connected, they can lead to power interruptions, resulting in a DTC. Another possibility is that the PCM has outdated software, which can prevent it from properly executing its commands. The PGM-FI, Programmed Fuel Injection Main Relay, is also a crucial component. If this relay fails, it causes the PCM to receive inadequate power. Other issues might include poor connections between the PCM and the underhood fuse or relay box, as any disconnection disrupts communication. Lastly, loose battery cables or poor ground connections can aggravate the situation, leading to power delivery issues to the PCM. The symptoms associated with DTC P0685 typically manifest as a check engine light activation. This is the vehicle's way of alerting the driver that there is a fault in the engine management system. The driver may also experience poor engine performance, such as reduced power output, stalling, or difficulty accelerating. Such performance issues stem from the PCM's inability to manage fuel and ignition correctly. In some instances, the vehicle may face starting issues where the engine may not start at all or may take longer to crank than normal. Recognizing these symptoms early on can aid in timely diagnostics and repairs, preventing further complications down the road. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0685 involves verifying the problem with a series of procedures. Start by turning the ignition switch to the on position, which powers the vehicle electronics without starting the engine. Next, use the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, to clear the DTC and reset the system. After clearing the DTC, start the engine and allow it to idle for 30 seconds. This lets the PCM recalibrate and ensures that all diagnostic monitors are set correctly. After this idle period, turn the ignition switch back to lock. Then return it to the on position to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. This step is crucial as it aids in determining whether the issue is persistent or has resolved itself. Following the initial procedures, The next step requires checking for any DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System. If DTC P0685 is indicated, it means the failure has been successfully duplicated during diagnostics. At this point, it is advised to update the PCM if it is outdated, as newer software versions may contain fixes for known issues. If the PCM update does not resolve the problem, substituting with a known good PCM becomes necessary. This replacement allows for a direct comparison to determine if the issue lies within the original PCM or if there are other system-related failures to investigate. Confirming whether the DTC is present after these updates will help isolate the fault for further testing. If the DTC P0685 is not indicated after updates, the next troubleshooting step involves careful inspection of various components that could contribute to the issue. Begin by checking all connections and terminals between the PCM and the underhood fuse relay box. Loose or poor connections can severely impact the power supply. Inspect the PGM-FI main relay to ensure that it is functioning correctly. Any failure in this relay will disrupt power delivery to the PCM. Additionally, assess the battery terminals and ground connections for tightness and corrosion, as compromised connections can cause electrical failure throughout the system. This step is critical in pinpointing the source of issues that could lead to DTC generation, emphasizing the interconnected nature of vehicle electronics. For the repair verification process related to DTC P0685, restarting the engine after repairs is necessary to see if the issue has been resolved. Start the engine and allow it to idle for approximately 30 seconds. This enables the system to check for any active or pending faults. Turn the ignition back to lock and then return to the on position. Use the HDS to check once again for any pending or confirmed DTCs. If DTC P0685 appears again, despite all repairs and checks, the process for trouble isolation may need to continue. Alternatively, if no codes reappear, the troubleshooting process can be considered complete and successful. Finally, the repair verification step ensures that all previous investigations and corrections have been effective. If the PCM was updated or substituted, it is vital to confirm that the new software is functioning as intended. During this phase, also check for any additional pending or confirmed DTCs that may indicate unresolved issues elsewhere. If the PCM was swapped out and all systems function within normal parameters, replace the original PCM if necessary to maintain system integrity. This comprehensive verification not only confirms repairs, but safeguards against further complications related to the initial DTC emanating from other potentially linked components. Preventive maintenance can play a vital role in avoiding recurring issues with the PCM and related circuits. Regular inspection of electrical connectors, especially those associated with the PCM, can prevent problems caused by looseness or corrosion. Performing software updates whenever available ensures that the PCM always operates with the latest fixes and improvements, significantly reducing the chance of malfunctions due to outdated programming. Additionally, it's crucial to check the battery health periodically, as weakness in the battery can lead to power delivery issues that may trigger diagnostic trouble codes like P0685. Implementing these maintenance practices not only extends the life of the vehicle, but enhances its overall performance reliability. In conclusion, DTC P0685 highlights a critical malfunction related to the PCM power control circuit, which is essential for proper engine management. Troubleshooting requires a thorough understanding of the components involved and the systematic approach to diagnosing the problem effectively. Multiple checks, including updating the software, validating connections, and ensuring component integrity, are integral to the process. Understanding the symptoms associated with this DTC enhances early detection and effective response. Regular preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering this fault, ensuring the longevity and reliability of the vehicle. Ultimately, staying proactive in vehicle care and diagnostics is key to a smooth driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.